Welcome back, Airbnb family. I'm going to change your life in 90 seconds or less. And so I'm going to, without wasting any time, let's go to it. I'm going to pull up a screenshot. This is one of my calendars for one of my 45 properties. You're going to see that on the right side, there is this earn up to $1,138 for this week of October. That's a 10% off coupon. You can find it in your calendar on your desktop. It's also available on your mobile app too, but we're going to talk about that in a different video. So, but not only there, you go to your multi-calendar. See, I've got 58 listings, 45 or 47 of them are active. But if you notice on this multi-calendar on the right side, it's the same thing. There's the ways to earn more section, and there's little right and left arrows. You can select and scroll through those right and left arrows and find the coupons for every single one of your listings and do it all right from your multi-calendar. After you've put your coupons, if you notice here at the top, the beautiful apartment, great for a large family. I don't have a thumbnail for it yet because I'm still working on the listing, but these little green dots signify coupons. Look at all of my, so this is coming up. This is like next week right now. If you look for next week, over 50% of my dates have coupons available. If you use this, you'll increase the amount of action, clicks on your listing, and thus bookings because of the coupons, gives you better SEO ranking and all sorts of other benefits just from having these coupons. So use them and have fun. Thanks for watching Airbnb Automated. I'll see you on the other side.